Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I recently posted a video on the Fujifilm simulation app on my channel, and a viewer, Paul, who's actually a regular viewer of the channel, regular commented. I always love your comments. He did leave a link to another website which actually has a couple of Leica film simulations, including one to simulate the Leica Q2 monochrome camera. Now, the Leica Q2 monochrome film simulation was created by a blogger and photographer, Mark G. Adams. He lives in South Wales. I will leave a link to his website so you can learn more about these film simulations. Check out his website, it's great. There's actually lots of photos on there as well. So I will leave the full film simulation recipe down in the description below, along with his link to his website so you can check it out. Now, if you're like me, you're watching this, you probably can't afford the Leica Q2 monochrome. I would love to have that camera, but if you have a Fuji camera, you can add this film simulation and get the next best thing. I decided to add this film simulation to my X-T4 this morning actually, and I headed out for a walk, walked around the city, took a few sample photos, and here are some of the samples I took using this film simulation. I hope you like them. Now, if you want to set up your Fuji X-T4 to simulate the Leica Q2 monochrome film simulation, here is the film recipe. Now, if you're new to Fujifilm simulations, there is a link down below in the description which shows you how to add them to your camera. It's pretty easy to do. Once you've done it once or twice, it's super simple. Thanks again to Paul for sharing this simulation, and again, thanks to Mark Adams for creating it. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.